Welcome to SurveyMentorWaqas once again. Today we are going to discuss about surveying accuracy. Accurate surveying is crucial for any project, but even experienced surveyors can make mistakes. Why? Accuracy matters in surveying. A real-world mistake that cost millions. Imagine this. A brand new residential building, worth millions, is almost complete. But just weeks before the final inspection, disaster strikes. The entire structure is found to be built 1.5 meters outside the legal property boundary. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it actually happened. And the reason? A small surveying mistake, just a few centimeters off in the initial measurements, resulted in legal battles, costly delays, and in some cases, demolition. In today's video, we'll explore how a tiny miscalculation in surveying can lead to massive consequences in real-world projects, and what you can do to avoid them. Let's take the famous case from the UK, a block of luxury apartments built in the wrong spot due to a boundary surveying error. The developers trusted a survey done in haste, without proper cross-checking. The building extended slightly into a neighbor's land, only by a meter, but it was enough to halt the entire project. The project faced lawsuits, and in the end, the owners had to pay heavy compensation. What's worse, the error could have been avoided with just one additional verification. Surveyors don't just hold tripods and take measurements. They define boundaries, guide multi-million-dollar infrastructure, and prevent future legal headaches. A misaligned corner point, an uncalibrated instrument, or ignoring environmental factors. These tiny oversights can cost companies time, money, and reputation. In short, in surveying, millimeters matter. So how do you ensure your data is rock solid? Always calibrate your instruments. Cross-check your control points. Use high-precision tools like Leica TS06 Plus or Trimble GPS. Most importantly, verify before you finalize. Professionalism in surveying isn't just about knowing how to measure. It's about making sure every step is traceable, accurate, and reliable. Have you ever encountered a surveying error on site? Share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more real-world surveying insights. SurveyMentorWaqas, helping you measure twice and build once.